Hi guys, so I got my business card, task cards. So they are in a format of business cards, but they are task cards. And what I printed out are all my sub-projects. So every project is a series, and every series has episodes. And with every episode, I have to do a bunch of tasks, sub-tasks, regular tasks. So for every part here, this is a perfect video for language learning, where you can read along with, an ebook, and an imperfect video where I am talking and people can see me talking in one of the 6 languages. And actually it's 6 videos, 6 perfect videos because it's in 6 languages, and 6 imperfect videos and 6 ebooks. And that includes also the marketing stuff, like putting it in my shop and like talking about it on social media. And I had started with this card, but I realized that this took me too long. How can you see it? It's too sunny. Okay, I will take a photo and show you like that. And it took me too long to write out that list of tasks, and I didn't want to lose so much time. That's why I decided to make those cards in the copy shop. So this is the card, and you can also see the check marks. Oh, yeah, the problem is that it's very sunny and hot today, 26 degrees, and I wanted to put the GoPro so that you can see me cutting out my task cards. And the GoPro is now in the sun, but I wrapped it into this blanket and now the wind, which comes through all the windows so that I don't overheat, the wind is moving the blanket a bit. I will take a photo of this setup, my camera setup. It's so cute. So, okay. So I have this folder, and there are the plastic pockets where I can put the tasks into, and here are my task cards that I have to cut out. And I made them so that the 2 most important channels, Polyglot Mona and Polyglot Pocket Love It, are like I make one video and ebook on one channel, and then one video and ebook on the other channel. So I will cut them out now, and I will fast forward the cutting out process, and then I will give you the real time that I needed. And actually I put it's more than one time all the series, because I wanted to have several, like I wanted to have it so that I don't have to go to the copy shop for the next quarter. I don't know if this is possible in a quarter, but I hope. So it's 12 pages of tasks, and this is on paper. It was the draft. They just wanted me to say if it's okay like that. So 12 pages of tasks, and it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's 120 sub-projects. 120 times 6 times 2. So 240, and another, no. Yeah, 240 videos and 120 ebooks. Is this correct? No, it isn't. Times 6. That's thousands of ebooks and videos. That's not for a quarter, that's for the next several years. And I have not even begun with those. I don't know. The problem is that with Polyglot Pocket Lover there are so many combinations with the 6 languages, and it's by a bilingual channel. There are 30 combinations. So to complete one task, it's 30 ebooks. I will just write down the number of videos that comes with every card. So the Polyglot Mona ones are in 6 languages, so German, English, French, Spanish, Italian and Russian. And there's the perfect video and the video where I speak, and there's the ebook. 12 videos and 1 ebook. 12 videos and 6 ebooks. But the Polyglot Pocket Lover is in 30 combinations. So there's 5 German ones, 5 English ones, 5 French ones, 5 Spanish ones, 5 Italian ones, and good that it's an erasable pen because I made a mistake and I can erase what I wrote wrong. So Italian 5, not plus 5 but times 5, like X, and then Russian 5, and then so wait, so Polyglot Mona is 12 videos and 6 ebooks in a whole, and Polyglot Pocket Lover is 60 videos and 30 ebooks. That's really a lot. It will take a lot of time to complete one card. I really have to think about not living the same lifestyle like I have done, because actually every time I leave a place because I have to go to the toilet or to the supermarket or to a swimming pool to have a shower or somewhere, every time I lose time, those driving times, they add up to whole days each month. So I should really think about staying in one place for a whole month and just compare how productive I can be if I stay in one place where I have everything. Like, I don't want to go to a camping site. I hate camping sites, especially in the summertime, because there are children screaming, dogs barking, mothers screaming, and the lawnmower, and I don't know, people talking, listening to music, and I just can't bear it. I can't concentrate like that. So I want to see if I can stay at a truck stop. It will cost something, but I think it's worth trying. What do you think about that? If you compare my lifestyle in the other videos with what I'm planning now, can I really do it? I mean, I can walk somewhere from a truck stop. Sometimes there are truck stops where there's a pathway near. Okay, let me just count through the cards. So 60 and 30, and this is 12 and 6. 12 and 6, 12 and 6, 60 and 30, and 12 and 6. So I just add one page. I just make an addition. You know what I mean, a calculation. So that's 12 videos. 1, 2, so 6. So 72 videos and 36 ebooks for Polyglot Mona. And now the Polyglot Pocket Love It. 460, 240 videos, and 4 times 6, no, it's 30. That's half of it. It's 120 ebooks. So on one page there is 240 and 72, 312 videos, and that's 120 and 36 is 156 ebooks on one page. How long do you think that will take? Can I even do one page in 1 month? That's so incredible. Such a lot of things to do. I don't know if it's possible. Also, I don't know if it's logic to have all the 6 languages on one card. I think I should divide it a bit. Because, for example, how many times do I have the same series on those cards? So the conclusion: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't even have 6 of the conclusion. So yes, it has to be all the languages on one card. Okay, I'll take a photo of that. It's so incredible. Incredible. Why do I do that? Do I really think it's possible? I will just cut them out and then start. Now, first I will go to that place. I will ask them how much they want for 1 month. Because normally at that truck stop I would have to pay 6 euros for a night. But I don't want to pay like, that's 180 euros a month. That would be okay, but I wouldn't be able to stay in the day. And then it's always the same problem, going back and forth. Well, I could also, because I will have to go to the supermarket. I could stay at the supermarket each day and then go back to the truck stop. I will do now the cutting out.